Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn very interesting lesson, that is it's raining. From EVS Looking Around book of CBSE class 3rd. So let's start to read and understand it's raining. Appu ate bananas. Appu likes bananas very much. He plucks and eats bananas from the trees every day. One day he saw that the banana trees were drooping. It had not rained for a long time. See students, drooping means hanging downwards. There is one elephant named Appu. Every day he was plucking and eats bananas from the trees. But one day he saw that the banana trees were drooping. Drooping means it was hanging downwards because of weakness. Because it had not rained for a long time. Now we will see next what happened. I must get water in my trunk, said Appu. He started walking towards the river. Appu drank water till he was happy. He bathed his body with his trunk. See students, Appu saw that banana trees were hanging downwards because of less water. So he thought, I want to bring water in my trunk from the river. That's why he went towards the river. But Appu drank water till he was happy. He bathed his body with his trunk. Then I will read next part of the story. Then he carried water in his trunk and poured it on the banana trees. As soon as the banana trees got water, they came alive. Appu said, from now on I will get water for you every day. After all, you also give me ripe and tasty bananas. See student, Appu elephant brought water in his trunk from the river. As soon as banana trees got water, they came alive. And Appu said to that banana trees, from now on I will get water for you every day. Because I am also eating your ripe and tasty bananas every day. Student, in our next part there is one poem on clouds. So we will read and enjoy that poem. Fair and white, grey and black, the clouds arrive in a magic pack. Elephants and horses, dogs and fawns. Sometimes they look like a pair of swans. In moments they come, in moments they go. Sometimes they freeze and for weeks they stay. And sometimes they disappear for many a day. Sometimes they pour, sometimes they thunder, spreading the colors in a rainbow of wonder. And sometimes they hail, pelting the ground, breaking the glass in ringing chimes. Now we will see some questions and answers of this lesson. So let's start with first question. How did Appu know that the banana trees needed water? The answer is banana trees were drooping. This made Appu know that banana trees needed water. Now we will see second number question. From where do the plants growing around your house get water? The answer is the plants growing around my house get water from rain. See students, here you want to observe the plants growing around your house, from where they are getting water. We will see next question. Appu drank water from the river till he was happy. Have you seen animals drinking water? Yes, I have seen animals drinking water in the following places. Sometimes they are drinking water from pond, sometimes from waterfall, sometimes from drains. Now we will see next number question. Have you ever given water to any animal? If yes, which animal? Yes, I have watered to a cow and a dog. So I have written there cow and dog's name. Here you can write your own answer to which animal you have given water to drink. We'll see remaining part of the exercise. Have you ever seen a rainbow? When can you see a rainbow? Yes, we can see the rainbow after the rain. How do you feel when it rains? We feel happy when it's rain. Is it correct? Now we will see last number question. What happens when it rains? This question is also for you. You can write your own answer. Already I have written there my own answer. When it rains, surroundings becomes green. Is it correct? Peacocks start dancing. Everyone becomes happy. Hope you have understood the lesson. For better understanding, you can write this exercise in your notebook and read this lesson and the poem again and again. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please share and subscribe our channel to get more videos on NCERT classes.